There is a massive invisible ceiling in sales, and it happens at the 10K a month mark. To hit 10K, all you need is raw hustle. More dials, more DMs, more reps, and basic hard work. But if you want to use the exact raw hustle to get to 100K a month, you will completely burn out before you even reach halfway. Because going from 10K to 100K isn't about working 10 times harder. It is a math and engineering problem. And I'm not just guessing here. I've spent years in the trenches, having sold more than 20 million in sales online and making up to 150,000 in sales commissions in a single month. I even worked directly alongside Jeremy Miner, selling for him and even training his team, mastering the highest level of sales psychology and mindset. When you operate at that level, you quickly realize that the fundamental model of sales today is completely broken. So today I'm gonna break down the exact framework I use to smash through 10K a month and make up to 140K a month so you can fast track your way to six figures. If you want the exact tracking sheets and scripts that you'll see in this video, make sure to join in the school community in the description below. When a closer is stuck at 10K a month, their calendar is usually packed. They're taking 6 to 8 calls a day, they're working hard 10 plus hours, and they're pretty much fried. If this is you, you don't have a skills problem, you have a leverage problem. To hit 100K a month, you have to stop looking at sales as a giant block. You need to track the mini conversions inside your pipeline. Because top earners, we focus on two things. First, your show up rate. If 30 to 40% of your calendar is ghosting you, your income is immediately capped. So instead of changing up your sales script, change what happens before the call. I make every single lead watch a simple 5-minute video that gets them warmed up for the sales call. This pre-qualifies them. And this simple shift and getting them to commit to show up to the call can increase your show up rates to 60 up to 85%. That means more warm buyers without spending an extra second on the phone. And if you want an additional hack, every time a prospect doesn't get back to you that they're gonna show up to the call, go to your Google Calendar or your scheduler and mark that meeting as open. Now you have the opportunity to get double booked. And when you get double booked, one of these prospects will show up. If happens and both of them show up, you'll simply tell the one that you ghosted, hey, I got busy, one meeting ran long, and you will reschedule them. Stop changing your entire sales script just because you've had one bad week. That destroys your data. Instead, how you fix things is you make tiny changes. If you improve your show up rate by a fraction, then you're gonna move upwards the funnel and you're gonna add or remove questions to your discovery session. Then once we work on the discovery phase, you can make tiny tweaks on your objection prevention or your objection handling. You'll tweak one thing at a time, but these little tweaks you make, they compound. They won't just give you just a small bump, they will completely multiply your cash collected because every single tweak that you can track that makes an improvement creates compounded growth. And that's what I mean when I'm talking about engineering processes. Take a look at one of our members inside the community.
My name is Kat and I help founders pitch and raise capital. I first decided to work with Chris because I have been trying to go past this sales plateau that I've had for quite some time. There's so much that I didn't know or realize that I needed to even ask or get support on. He is going to be tough, but it is all in your best interest, and it is one of the most transformational experiences I've ever had.
When Kat first came to me, she was stuck at about 30,000 a month. She was decent at sales and she had hired coaches in the past, but she wasn't getting any extra results. Her problem wasn't her work ethic, she lacked framework. She was, as she says, running on vibes. But when she implemented the New Era sales framework, she hit 83,000 in sales a month, which was her personal best month ever, but it didn't stop there because the following month she hit a new personal best of 102,000 a month. When you have the right data and elite sales psychology, 6-figure months can become the new reality for you. So these tweaks can get you to 30 to 50K a month. How do you get to the 100K a month? This is a big mindset shift I want you to make. At 50K a month, you're no longer just a salesperson. You're the CEO of a mini organization within the offer. And that's where you need to start freeing up your time. I want you to look at your calendar and any activity that you do that doesn't involve your zone of genius, that's taking calls or selling in the DMs, you have to get it back. You can get it back through AI, automation, hiring people, and delegating. Start with the simple things. Setting and following up, setting up outbound processes. Just hiring a simple assistant to manage your inbox can save up to 10 to 20 hours a week. These are all hours that you can spend actually closing more and more deals. The takeaway here is simple. Stop treating your sales career like a lottery where you're sitting back and you're hoping for better leads to land on your calendar. Treat it as an engineering problem. Find a single bottleneck, fix the variable, and move on to the next bottleneck. If you want to stop guessing, you want actual help with live call breakdowns, a new era sales system that works today, make sure to join my free group in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.